Ever felt like you're juggling flaming chainsaws while trying to run your service business? Like you're amazing at what you do, fixing ACs, plumbing nightmares, cleaning houses, you name it, but the admin side? That's a whole different beast. You're probably thinking, there's gotta be a better way. And you're right. You've likely stumbled upon two big names, QuickBooks and Housecall Pro. But which one's the right fit? Are they even comparable? Are you comparing apples to oranges? Let's be real, running a service business is a whirlwind. You're not just about the tools and the skills. You're about scheduling, invoicing, payments, customer communication, and keeping your finances straight. It's a lot, and that's where software comes in. You need something that streamlines, organizes, and basically stops you from pulling your hair out. Now, you might be thinking, QuickBooks? Isn't that just for accounting? And yeah, you're not wrong. It's a giant in the accounting world, a staple for small businesses everywhere. But Housecall Pro? That's a different animal entirely. It's purpose-built for service professionals. It's designed to handle the unique challenges of field service work. So let's break it down. What exactly is the difference between these two titans? And more importantly, which one will actually make your life easier? Let's start with QuickBooks. It's the king of accounting, the foundation for managing your finances. It's fantastic for tracking income and expenses, generating reports, and handling payroll. It's the backbone of your business's financial health. Think of it as your digital ledger, keeping everything organized for tax season and giving you a clear picture of where your money's going. You can create invoices, track payments, and reconcile bank accounts. It's got the essentials covered. And if you're a small business owner who's comfortable with accounting basics, you can probably make it work. But here's the kicker. QuickBooks, in its core form, isn't designed for the specific needs of service businesses. It's not built for scheduling appointments, dispatching technicians, or managing customer communication in the field. You can try to shoehorn those things in, but it's like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. You might find yourself using third-party apps and integrations to bridge the gaps. And that can get messy. You're jumping between platforms, manually transferring data, and hoping everything syncs correctly. It's time-consuming and prone to errors. Now, let's talk about Housecall Pro. This is where things get interesting for service pros. Housecall Pro is built from the ground up to handle the entire workflow of your business. It's not just about accounting. It's about managing your entire operation. Think of it as your all-in-one command center. You can schedule appointments, dispatch technicians with real-time updates, send automated reminders, and track job progress. It's designed to keep your team organized and your customers happy. And the best part? It integrates seamlessly with your accounting. You can create invoices directly from the job, collect payments in the field, and sync everything with QuickBooks or other accounting software. It's a streamlined process that saves you time and reduces errors. Let's dive deeper into some key differences. Scheduling and dispatch. QuickBooks primarily relies on third-party integrations or manual entry. It's not designed for real-time scheduling and dispatch. Housecall Pro offers robust scheduling and dispatch features, including drag-and-drop calendars, GPS tracking, and technician assignments. You can see who's available, assign jobs efficiently, and keep everyone on the same page. Customer communication. QuickBooks, limited to basic invoicing and payment notifications. Housecall Pro provides comprehensive customer communication tools, including automated reminders, on-my-way texts, and post-service follow-ups. You can keep your customers informed and build strong relationships. Mobile capabilities. QuickBooks mobile app is primarily focused on accounting tasks. Housecall Pro mobile app is designed for field technicians, allowing them to access job details, update job status, collect payments, and communicate with customers on the go. Invoicing and payments. QuickBooks focuses on creating and sending invoices, tracking payments, and reconciling accounts. Housecall Pro offers integrated invoicing and payment processing, including online payments, mobile payments, and automated payment reminders. It's designed to get you paid faster. Reporting and analytics. QuickBooks provides robust financial reporting and analytics. Housecall Pro offers service-specific reporting and analytics, including job profitability, technician performance, and customer satisfaction. You can gain insights into your business's performance and make data-driven decisions. Integrations. QuickBooks integrates with a wide range of third-party apps, including some service-specific tools. Housecall Pro integrates with QuickBooks and other accounting software, as well as other essential business tools. So, which one's right for you? If you're a small business owner who primarily needs accounting software and you're comfortable with manual processes, QuickBooks might be sufficient. But if you're a service professional who needs a comprehensive solution to manage your entire workflow, Housecall Pro is the clear winner. It's like comparing a Swiss Army knife to a specialized toolset. Both can get the job done, but one is designed for a specific purpose. Housecall Pro is the specialized toolset for service businesses. Think about your needs. Do you spend hours manually scheduling appointments? Are you constantly chasing down payments? Do you struggle to keep your team organized? If you answered yes to any of these questions, Housecall Pro can make a significant difference. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.